Good evening, students. The same video is available in Telugu as well as English version, and this is the English version of the video. So the theme of the video is the online services that are available for the upcoming June 2023 CA Foundation examinations. So by the way, if at all, if you need any guidance, you are most welcome. You can reach me at msnmohan2013@gmail.com. I repeat, msnmohan2013@gmail.com. And of course, you can reach our team members at 9885125001 and 03. And irrespective of the decision whether to take admission into masterminds or not, I repeat, irrespective of the decision whether to join in masterminds or not, you have a facility of doubts clarification services. For that, what you need to do is you need to join into masterminds for CA/CMA Foundation doubts clarification group, and within a reasonable time, your query will be answered in person. So what you need to do is you need to join in this group dedicated for CA Foundation, CMA Foundation students, and you need to post it out, and it will be answered within a reasonable time by our faculty members. Let me continue, my dear students. And that doubt will be addressed, that doubt will be cleared in person, that the answer or the reply will not be posted in the group. Let me continue, my dear students. What are the services that are available for June 2023 examinations in online mode? So before I continue, I strongly advise the students not to go for online. A course like CA and CMA cannot be qualified just by attending the online coaching classes or online revision examinations. Of course, there could be some exception. We should never take such exception as a benchmark. So yes, there are few students who are qualified CA Foundation or CMA Foundation, etc. Mere by attending the online coaching classes or on revision examinations. We should never take such few exceptional cases as a benchmark. I'll tell you an example. There's a student by name Praneeth who secured All India first rank in CA final. And there's a student by name Guru Bhaskar who secured All India first in CMA final. There's a student by name Nikhil who secured All India first in CMA final. There's a student by name Rishabh who secured All India first in CMA Inter. There's a student by name Yashwant who secured All India first in CA Inter world syllabus. So that doesn't mean that the entire credit goes to masterminds. It is their exceptional skills. Though they are the students of masterminds, I never take the credit of such All India first ranks. It is absolutely because of their attitude and because of their smart work. Is it not? So don't take such exceptional cases as a benchmark. So I advise the students, online coaching classes or online revision examinations shall be the last resort. See, if your health doesn't permit to attend offline batches, then okay. If you are engaged in articleship and you are not permitted into joining for offline batch, then it is okay. Since you are doing your CA Foundation, there is no concept of articleship also, there is no obligation of articleship also. Let me continue, my dear students. Now I'll begin with the coaching classes. So to begin with, the CA Foundation coaching classes are available as a group or as a subject-wise basis. Now coming to the subject-wise basis, say for example, accountancy. Accountancy will be taught for 140 hours in case of crash batch. So if you want to buy the CA Foundation crash batch videos, only for accountancy, yes, you are welcome. What you need to do is, you need to download the Masterminds online classes app, which is available separately for iOS users as well as for Android users. Now after that, you'll find an icon on the top called store. So in that store, you please search you please type the keyword called CA Foundation, which is nothing but a search bar. You please type the keyword called CA Foundation and you'll be finding lot of courses that are available at CA Foundation level for the upcoming examinations and of course for CMA Foundation level also. Sorry, please excuse me. Let me continue. So CA Foundation crash batch coaching is available on subject-wise basis with 1 view and 1 month validity. So just for an amount of 3,000 rupees, you can have an access of 140 hours of CA Foundation accountancy, and of course the material will be made available through PDF. The same CA Foundation subject-wise coaching is also available in regular mode. So what's the difference between regular batch and crash batch? I'll tell you. In case of regular batch, accountancy subject will be taught for 275 hours, and in case of crash batch, it will be taught only for 140 hours. So the explanation will be different. And in case of regular batch, again, the coaching is available on subject-based basis. So you can purchase only maths or only accountancy or only law paper, etc., 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 with one view and 1 month validity. Now, say for example, you're not comfortable with 1 month validity. You want to buy the videos for a longer valid period. Then the videos are available for 6 months validity with 1.5 views option, where 1 hour video will be permitted to watch for 1.5 hours. So again, the crash batch videos are available with 6 months validity, and the regular batch videos are available with 6 months validity. For example, take mathematics. Regular batch, in case of regular batch, maths will be taught for 300 hours with 6 months validity. In case of crash batch, maths will be taught for 155 hours with 6 months validity. The same 300 hours and the same 155 hours, otherwise called as regular batch and crash batch, is also available with 1 month validity also. Let me continue. There's a concept called the MPM, monthly payment mode, nothing but the subscription model. And the uniqueness is for a payment of 1 month, you'll be given access or you'll be given services for 40 days. And material will be shared in PDF form. And in case of CA Foundation, just for a payment of 3,000 rupees, you'll be given access to 525 hours of CA Foundation crash batch videos. And please do note that 525 is inclusive of all the subjects. In case if you want to go for a premium version, you need to make a payment of 5,000 rupees per month, and you will be given access for 990 hours, near about 1,000 hours. You may have a doubt. So within a period of 1 month, is it possible to watch the entire 525 hours? Obviously not. Obviously not. I don't deny that fact. So then how is it useful? I'll tell you. Say for example, in case of CA Foundation, you're not comfortable with few chapters of accountancy, few chapters of mathematics, few chapters of statistics, few chapters of reasoning, few chapters of BCR, few chapters of law, and few chapters of BCK, and few chapters of economics. In such a case, better you go for monthly payment mode. Either you can go for premium version where the classes will be dealt in detail, or you can go for basic version, nothing but the crash batch videos. So you'll be given access to 990 hours in case of premium version, and whatever the chapters you are not comfortable, you can confine to only those chapters. Alternatively, so CA Foundation crash batch, nothing but 525 hours videos are available as a combo, as an entire course for a validity period of 6 months. And this is available for 16,000, which includes the printed materials. You'll be sent the printed materials through courier. So entire 525 hours will be given, and the video's validity will be for 6 months with 1.5 views option, where 1 hour video will be allowed to watch for 1.5 hours. And of course, Masterminds is specialist for revision examinations. Masterminds revision exams, otherwise called as Masterminds test series, is a household name for many students of CA and CMA. We are not just the pioneers in conducting the revision examinations, but also the leaders in conducting the next revision examinations and study hours batches at national level. And I'd like to share the performance of our Masterminds online classes app. The performance of our Masterminds online classes app. So in just a week, this is the Masterminds online classes app dashboard. Since I'm the admin, I'll be having access to all the details. So in just a week, there are about 234 purchases. In that just a week, there are about 234 purchases. In case of season, it will be more. In case of season, it will be more. Since it is unseasoned, since the results have been declared almost 15 days back, the sales has come down. Immediately after the results, the sales will be much more than this number. So it is 234 in a week. And my dear students, there are about 37,600 active users of Masterminds online classes app. And this is the award that has been granted to Masterminds team by Class Plus app in the month of Jan 2023. This award has been conferred to Masterminds for selling one of the top trending courses on pan-India basis. I think you are aware of Class Plus team. They are the providers of the required software for many educational institutions to provide their online coaching classes. To my knowledge, There are about 15 to 20,000 coaching institutions on pan-India basis availing the services of Class Plus app. Once upon a time, Masterminds has been selected. Masterminds has been ranked among the top three educational institutions on pan-India basis by the same Class Plus app. And the last one, you can even buy the regular batch videos of the CA Foundation, where the videos content will be approximately 1,000 hours, and it will be available for a fee of 26,000 with 12 months validity with 1.5 weeks option. And of course, the materials will also be sent through courier. Materials will also be sent through courier. What you need to do is you need to just download the app, and after that you need to click the button called store. After that you open the search bar and you type the keyword called CA Foundation. And of course, we have even the offline batches also, both for crash batch as well as for study and revision examination batches. And I, before I conclude, I repeat once again, I advise not to go for online coaching classes. I strongly recommend. See, I qualified my CA examination in 2002. So since from more than 21 years, I've been offering coaching classes for CA and CMA students. So being a senior academician being one of the senior academician in South India, being one of the founder members of the leading coaching institution on pan-India basis, I never recommend the students of CA and CMA courses to go for online. If at all, if you are not interested to join in master, it's better you join in some other institution. But your first choice should always be offline, but not online. See, I'm not just a teacher, I'm not just a founder, I'm also a parent. I never encourage my students, sorry, I never encourage my children to go for online. See, as an educator, as a teacher, as a founder, as a director, if I'm not encouraging my own children to go for online coaching classes, how can I recommend my students to go for online? All the best. God bless you.